Hello everyone, I'm Lan Hamoud from 12G2 in the AP Biology class. Today we will be doing an experiment for removing the shells of the egg and checking how it will react into different situations. So here's the materials I will use in this experiment. I need two of the containers and two eggs, and we will make sure that the eggs have the same size so the experiment will be fair. Also we need water, we need vinegar, as well as salt. And of course I have here my tools, the pencil to record my discoveries in the paper, the lab sheet, and also I need permanent marker to label the containers so I will not mix up. So the first step, I poured the vinegar in both containers and I covered the eggs. As you can see, with vinegar I put same amount of vinegar in each container. I labeled the containers as you can see, and also I put a sticky note so I will not mix up. And as we can see now, the reaction has started. We can see some bubbles, and this indicates that there is a chemical reaction. Now I will leave the containers for around 24 hours or 48 hours until I feel that the shells are removed, the calcium shell. Okay, so hi again. Now here is my eggs after 2 days in vinegar, and as we can see they are now, the shell is removed. I washed it and we can see how it looks now. So now I will be having 2 cups of water. They have the same amount, there is water inside, and I want salt. So in one of the cups I will put salt and one of them I will not put, and I will leave the eggs in them for around 12 hours to 24 hours, and I will see what will happen to the egg with the salt and what will happen with the egg with the pure water. So now I will be pouring around 10 spoons of salt in 1 cup, and the other I will leave it without any salt. So now I am stirring the water with the salt so it will dissolve, the salt will all dissolve. I stirred the water with the salt, so now I have here a cup with water plus salt and a pure water. Now I will dip 1 egg. As we can see, here are the eggs. So here I am trying to dip it. So here's the first egg, and now that's the second egg as well. I will dip it inside the pure water. So here now I dip both eggs, one in the salt water and one in the pure water, and I will leave them over night from 12 to 24 hours. Now as we can see here, because we have salt water, so it's floating, same as in the sea, the salt water helps in floating, while here as we can see it's just inside. The egg is really inside. Hello again, so here's my eggs after 12 hours. I will be washing them and then I will see what happened to both eggs. So this is the egg with water plus salt, and here with the pure water. Yes, so here I washed the eggs. Now this egg was with the solution salt plus water. As we can see, it shrunk and it's really so small now. And here's the egg with the pure water. It's so heavy, and I feel that it will burst because it's so heavy and it got bigger. So here's the difference between them. As we can see, here is the difference. Okay, so here again I will be comparing them. So this is the egg with the pure water, and here's the egg with the salt plus water. So this, as we can see, it shrunk and became smaller, and here it absorbed a lot of water and it became bigger. As we can see, I feel that this one it will burst, and like this one I can like hold it. So we can see here the difference. So as a conclusion of my experiment, so I concluded that materials tend to go from high concentration level to low concentration level. So when the egg plus salt was when the egg was in solution of salt plus water, so the concentration out of the egg, it was high, so the egg started to get rid of the water inside of it and put it outside to make the environment inside, the concentration of the inside environment equal to the concentration of the outside or the surrounding environment. And here, so in the egg plus pure water, it tends to gain water to maintain the concentration in both environments. And thank you, have a nice day all of you. Hope you enjoyed with me this experiment.